So an essay is the next part. Essay writing is the next part that is called uh, composition part. Okay, the second part of that, first we have discussed about the comprehension. Then there is composition. Composition will have two parts: essay writing, then the letter writing. Now this time we will go for the formal letter writing, that is writing application or formal letters. So one sample I will give you today after this video and discuss it briefly. Now you see this essay writing. So it is a essay is an attempt of giving expressions to one's thought about a central idea. So there may be one paragraph or several paragraphs on a single topic, and they all are around a simple or a central main idea. So here a simple thought you can express in a natural way or a simple way, or in a very creative and interesting way. It all depends upon your style of writing. So today we will discuss how to write an essay. So there are some general directions which you should follow. First, you need to use your imagination logically. Then you should think about the subject and make a rough outline. Third, make paragraphs for each major idea and begin new sentences with a capital letter. Write grammatically correct sentences. Enjoy the experiences of putting your feelings on the paper. So here what you do basically when you write the essay, generally what you don't know how to write, and very often you write whatever comes to your mind and you think that I have written a good essay, but this is not correct. This is a huge mistake which you make every time while writing the essays in the class or in the exam halls. Now you need to plan your essays. Then how you will plan your essays? So you have to see what are the parts of an essay. See, it has an essay is generally divided into three parts: introduction, body, and the conclusion. So it is an essay preferably with a definition, quotation, or a paragraph. Okay, so like that you need to plan your essay. When you will start writing composition or your essays, it should follow certain rules. First, you should mention clearly the parts of the compositions and write accordingly. The first very important part is title. Give a suitable title or heading by yourself and according to the questions which is asked. Like if there is a essay given on importance of conserving natural resource, then you take the creative title or use certain kind of phrase or a quotation for making your title sound interesting. Okay, and because you are in 5th standard, you have to write a composition about 100 to 125 or about 150 words. You can even write more if you will try on. Composition writing is not a very hard task. It's a very easy task once you know how to write it. Okay. Second, the title which you are writing should be grammatically correct, beautiful to sound, or reflect the basic idea of the composition. What it should indicate what we are talking about or what is the essay about. Okay, you can also use good captions. Good captions means sometimes there is when we slogans, you can say slogans for the title. First paragraph is called the introductory paragraph. Okay, this should not be more than 3 to 5 lines. It introduces the topic of the essay. Okay, and it should be written in such a manner that it leads to the second paragraph. Okay, you can also start the first paragraph with a quotation, a phrase, or a proverb. Second is the body. The body of the paragraph mainly consists of 3 paragraphs. First is the main paragraph of an essay. It generally leads to the common idea, what led to certain things, or a definition, or the some concluding the intro or the next stanza of the introductory paragraph. Okay, and confirming the idea, what is the basic idea or something. Okay, so you can write 3 paragraphs or 5 paragraphs according to the length of your essay. Then it should contain the full idea and the things about the essays. Many things here indicates the definitions or the effects, causes, or you can say what may be the possible remedies. And the last part is the conclusion. If you start your paragraph in the past or future tense, then it should end like that, and present tense should end with the present tense. So correct grammatical knowledge should be also needed. So you should always keep in view that which tense are you using in writing your what paragraph or your essays, like that. If you start your paragraph in the past tense, then conclusion you can say that can be concluded like this, or we may come to that idea. Okay, or we then this is the basic thing which I have taken. Now make your paragraph interesting, and it should also give the different ways of thinking, and the conclusion should indicate that out of the ways this is the best and the final what you can say summary, or you can say the summary of the ideas or the basics what you have gathered of your ideas, what you have written here in this paragraph. Okay, so you may write a paragraph. Suppose you are writing about child labor, then you can give an that C is a child labor because everyone has a right to live. So they will pencil suits better than a hammer for a child, or a child needs a pencil more than a hammer, like that, for introducing the topic child labor. So like this you can write.